Then good afternoon children. Welcome to our social class. In the last session, we have started a new lesson from our textbook, Lesson 6 Waste Management. In that session, we have seen about definition of waste, sources or means from where we are getting that waste, types of waste. Today, we are going to see about 4 R's of garbage disposal. By following these 4 R's, we can save our environment for future generation. Children, have you ever wondered what does a scrap dealer do after collecting the waste from our houses? Think, children. Yes, he separates the waste into different categories and then takes to different places to make different things using them. Children, we also have many museums in the world which use the waste to make the models. One such museum is in Odisha, which was being established in 2004. Children, by following the 4 R's of the waste management, but before following them, we should know them, right? The first one is reduce. Reduce is reducing the waste. Reuse means there are few materials on the waste which can be reused again and again. So we have to reuse the waste. Recycle. There are few materials from the waste which can be recycled. Rethink. Rethink means think about how much waste we are producing and what can we do to save our environment. Children, by following these 4 R's of waste management, we can save our environment for the future generations. Moving on, recycling. The first one is recycling. Recycling protects our environment. It reduces the pollution. It saves our natural resources like wood and iron. And the things can be and the things which can be recycled are paper, iron, cardboard boxes, plastic, glass, etc. Recycling is nothing but separating usable materials from the waste and converting them into new products. Moving, children see here by using newspaper we can make many things. The first one is we can make what is this? Bags. We can make telephone directory, egg cartons, construction paper, berry boxes. There are many things by we which can be made by recycling the paper. See the beautiful things, table stand, pen stand, and all that. Charts, handmade paper. You say no, means they remove. They it's a long process which been used by the to make the handmade paper. Next we have these are the things you can use by using the cardboard boxes and see the beautiful decorative items by using the newspaper. This is by the eggshells, flower vases by the eggshells. Next, by using the broken glasses or the mirrors, we can make so many decorative items. These are the few examples by broken glass. Next, by aluminum foil means you get when you go to the bakery, you'll be finding the aluminum foils or to make the food hot from the microwave oven. We use the aluminum foil. After using that in the microwave oven for the once, we throw it. So instead of throwing them, we can make all this. See beautiful scenery or beautiful wallpaper, beautiful trees for decorative. Now moving on with the next one, reuse. Reuse the things that can me use the things that can be used many a times, like cloth bags. These cloth bags, if first time you will get to the market and get it, again you can wash it and use it many a times. But can we do with the plastic ones? So use the cloth bags instead of plastic ones. Water bottles and shoes as flower pots, etc. See, here the old shoes have been used as a flower pot. Next, by using the water bottles, we can make many decorative things like, see here they have done nest or lanterns for the homes, then milk cartons for decorative pieces. They have made a beautiful doll by using the old used water bottle and even water bottle gardening also. These are the few examples of water recycling the water bottle. Children, till now we have seen about waste, uh, types of waste, and how can we reduce the waste. But children, there are few materials which has to be disposed. Now we are going to see about that. In early, actually, children, in earlier times the population was less, and so the garbage was also less. And even in the earlier times they were using biodegradable waste which was being used in the fields. But now with the increase of population and also increase of usage of plastic, we are not able, we have to throw the garbage. So now we are going to see about disposing of the waste. There are many methods of garbage disposal: landfills, burning the trash, and making as compost. These are the three different methods which are being used now for the garbage disposal. Children, moving on, we have seen that there are three different ways of disposal of waste. First one is landfills. Landfills is nothing but disposing of the waste in open areas far away from the colonies, cities and villages. But by doing so, it has many problems. The first and foremost is pollution. It causes pollution to the air, water and land. And the second one is, see, as we are dumping it in one area. So after that area is been full, so we have to go to some other place. Once the landfill is full, we have to find a new place for the garbage or for the disposal of the waste. And it causes the increase in the transportation charges. Means we have to move from one place to, see, the garbage is done in one colony. Means one area it has been fully dumped. So they have to go to some other place for dumping the garbage. And as the population is increasing, the land is decreasing. So we won't find enough place for filling the garbage at one place. The second one is burning of the trash. Burning of the trash is burning the waste in open areas. Means burning of the waste in open areas. But by doing so, there are many disadvantages. The first one is it pollutes the air. And the second one is we have a very bad smell or foul smell coming when we burn the trash. And it causes many breathing problems by doing so. And children, burning of the trash is very popular in Japan. The third one is making compost. This is one of the good method of garbage disposal, but it can be used only for biodegradable waste which can be made as compost. And you know children, plastic takes years of time to go into the earth, means to become as a compost. And so children, there are the advantages and disadvantages of disposal of the waste. So what is a good method? We should reduce the waste and rethink how much waste we are producing and try to recycle and reuse the waste. Like I told in the previous, no, that how paper, glass and all that can be recycled and reused. So we have to rethink and reuse the waste and try to reduce the waste. Children, what did we learn in today's topic? We have learned about 4 R's and methods of waste disposal. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.